Okay, in this video, I want to accomplish helping you guys set up a brokerage account, specifically Hugo's Way. It's an American brokerage. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Google and we're going to type in Hugo's Way, and then we're gonna hit Google search. Okay, the first account we're going to set up is a demo account. So the first information that comes from the search bar is the correct, right? Hugo'sWay.com. So we're going to go down to demo sign up. All right, so what I need you guys to do is put your information into these fields. When it comes down to leverage, you can pick whatever leverage it is that you like. I will actually add a video on leverage so that you can make that decision. And the selected balance, go with something that's reasonable, right? So if you're gonna start off trading with $500, go with 1,000. If you're gonna start with 10,000, you know what I'm saying, select this. But 9 times out of 10, if you're just getting started, we're gonna select this one. I'll see you in the next video.